Words cannot express our sorrow. As you bid you farewell today, your presence will always be here. Look around you. There is not a life in this room that you have not touched, and each one of us is a better person because of you. Yes, one of the greatest lessons you have shown us is that you cared for all of us. Therefore, you earned the trust and respect of all who came into contact with you. The respect you showed to each one of us, your willingness and eagerness to involve us in taking major decisions are things that will be remembered. You were dedicated to your task, sincere to the core, simple in life, God-fearing person, able to remain calm under pressure and never yielding to anger. You were not only able to improve results in all courses, but also created a stress-free learning environment for students. You tried your best to improve the quality of faculty and encouraged their development through education and research. Your student-friendly approach and your understanding of the background of each one of us, showing extra concern for those having problems, both academic and personal, will be lovingly remembered for a long time to come. Your systematic approach to things and your emphasis on punctuality made working with you a pleasant experience. Yes, sister, you are a person who is filled with love, care, and concern for each and every one of us. Supported us as a backbone, and you were there in all our trials and tribulations, and you even supported us in our personal life too. When we were able to come before you to share our problems that we face in the academic section as well as our family problems, you were ever ready to guide us to solve all our problems that we were facing. Talking to you was a pleasant moment for us. After talking to you, when we come with a heavy burdened heart, we feel relaxed, we feel cool as we go away from your room. Thank you, sister, for everything that you have done to us. Especially, you have encouraged, supported each one of us personally in a different way. And we do have different memories to remember you personally. Sure, you were leading us to God. Always your talk, your act, your vision was leading us to God, the ultimate power. We know that you are loved by God so much, so He allowed you to be with us for so many years. We all know from the beginning of this school until now, you were here with us. You know each and every corner of this building, children, teachers, non-teaching staff, and all those who have come into this institution and have gone out. Sister, such a dedicated person we have never seen in our life. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. With all our heart and with the blessings of all the present here, we wish you a fruitful and joyous life ahead. May you find useful ways to engage yourselves in the service of God and men in the days to come. I also request you to kindly remember us in your valuable prayers, and please do keep us close to your heart and mind. We love you, sister, and we really ask God's blessings upon you.